Welcome everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. We are live. Okay. Let's share. Telegram. I was live. We will win. Yeah, bros. Come on. Look at even I think even the first buy zone, possible buy zone was just valid. But what gold literally did was to take out this liquidity, which I saw. That was why I mentioned here as my buy zone. I just saw the liquidity and then drew this. I know good always loves liquidity. Okay, that's why I drew this as buy zone. And of course, a sniper entry, boom. And we are running from I entered from 22, 21, and I think we're running massive profit of 150 pips plus. Okay, so that's where we are right now. Let me give the updates to my Telegram community. Profits. Wait. This is it. Profits. That's it. That was the easiest trade I've ever taken. Okay, so even if gold doesn't reach here, this is just like 1,000 pips I'm targeting. Even if gold doesn't reach there, I don't care because I've already made enough profits. Okay, I think it's gonna push back up to this last buy zone we had, which I've already removed it because I'm done with it. So that I don't dirty my charts, I'm gonna forget all those things that's happened. So I think gold is gonna push back up here. I think gold is gonna push back up to this zone that's around 33.62. So if we get any breakouts here, then we keep pushing back to this. Why am I targeting these as 1,000 pips? We still have an open space here that gold has not covered, although it did cover it, but I don't think it's the much covering that gold has done there. So let's just tag it as a gap in the markets. Once there is a gap in the markets, gold always tend to come back to cover up for that gap. Okay, so it's just normal, and these gaps are created during weekend. Market closes on Friday, then Monday opens with a big gap. Sometimes it happens like that. Okay, so it's just left for good to close those gaps. Oh, what did I do? We not live already? Should be. So welcome everyone, and I would love your comments and questions if you don't mind, because I'm super happy now because gold respected my buy zone and boom, nothing else. There's nothing more to be happy aside this. Okay, Telegram link in bio. I just love music, guys, so I'm just feeling the vibe. So once there's music and there's the vibe, we keep trading. Let me take my profits. Let me take partial profits. There's nothing to take chances for. Let's go, take that. Can't take chances. All right. Good. So partial staking and break even set. I'm free now to ride the trade till Kingdom Come. The possible buy zone was very possible. You can see gold just did. That's where all those smart money traders work. Always it takes you out. So I know some people will definitely say buy gold here because they did not see this liquidity. It's just simple as that. This is a mighty liquidity here. I drew it at first. I drew the liquidity here. I picked the zone and I saw the liquidity at 23. That's where I just put my buy zone immediately below. And what do you have here? We have this. You can see. Let me put my phone so that I can take a short recording. Okay. Yeah, good. This is the most easiest setup I've ever done. So easy. Okay, that's so easy. So let's explain how I got this. Okay, first I drew this as a possible buy zone with hopes that gold won't push down to take out this liquidity here. We can see there's a liquidity here, just this bearish candle finishing with a wick and closing here is a liquidity. You can see there. And where is that liquidity? The liquidity is at 33.23. So I first drew this as a possible buy zone just in case it doesn't push back down to take out this liquidity. Then I drew this first and I said this is possible and this is my buy zone because it's confirmed already. I have a liquidity and I have support here. This was a resistance. Okay, market ended here and pushed down. That's a resistance. Okay, let me use now. So that's the resistance here. Okay, this was where I drew my rectangle to get my buy zone. All right, so resistance was broken and I expect market to retest back into that resistance, which it did not do, and market pushed all the way down. So we have a gap here, and then that was where I drew my buy zone. Because of this resistance becomes support, and then liquidity here to be taken out. Okay, so that's why I said this is my buy zone and this is a possible buy zone. And of course gold came back down and just did take out the liquidity immediately and reverse back at 33.22. let's say 33.22 immediately without even doing anything, just a sniper entry. So I got the entry, and as you can see, that's the profits running already. 150 plus pips profits gotten from this sniper entry. I still took a buy here, but I already closed them. I took a buy around 33.28 or so. I already closed them. That's what you can see on the screen. So right now I'm on break even for my entry at 33.22-23, just to ride it back up to maybe somewhere here 33.63, which will be like 400 pips, and if possible we achieve the biggest 1000 4 pips. Okay, because of this gap. So I expect gold to keep pushing to come back to this gap and even cover this gap and continue pushing up if possible. But my first target is 400 pips, then I push it up to 1000 pips, then and so on and so forth. But for now, even if it doesn't get here or here, I've already made 150 plus pips and I've secured partial. I'm on break even. So I'm on 0x trade right now. So thanks for joining my live, and thanks. I dropped the setup in my Telegram channel. Okay, possible buy zone and buy zone. Although I dropped possible buy zone, I said we are buying gold in all my socials. I dropped it on my TikTok. No, okay, no, not TikTok. I dropped it on my Twitter. I dropped it on Instagram. I dropped it on Thread. I dropped it on those 3 platforms, on also on Facebook too. So I dropped it everywhere and said we are buying gold with my Telegram community. So that was just easy. Okay, so 150 pips made and riding more. So let's keep watching and see what gold has to offer. I probably think gold is not coming back to this buy zone. If it comes back here, then it hits my break even, then I find another setup. But for now, let's move. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to my live. We'll now start making live with my face and face reveal or whatever. I'm trying to set up my camera and all that. So, we're going. Good is still pushing and already on break even. So, it's always about the story. It's always about the story, and it's always about the patience to hold on straight to mark your zones. Get that patience, get that persistence to wait, and you will never be caught out by good, because all the smart money traders, all of them are in hand. They're working hand in hand. You just take out all your stop losses. Okay, so that was what they did this morning. Although I before I woke up, gold was already pushing. I already woke up and saw gold here, but I marked the zone. This was our buy zone first for yesterday, and it went up to 400 pips before realize it, and it came back to break that buy zone. And of course, once there's a breakout of my buy zone, I'm expecting gold to retest back into that and fall back. So that was what it did. Came back, retested back into that buy zone, and pushed all the way down to like 400 500 pips. Well, we waited for the right moment, took our possible buy, and took our buy zone here, and of course we made that profit of 150 pips plus secured partial and still riding the rest with break even. Okay, so let's see how far good can take us. Let's go. Gold is flying. It's pushing. It's pumping. Yep, just like I said, gold is gonna push, it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump. Possibility to reach 3363. Okay, then from there, can decide to know where gold is. Man, that's fucking. I think that's fucking. Let me see. That's totally 230 plus pips running in profits already from our buy zone. That's crazy, bros. That's crazy. That is most craziest today. That's right. Oh, it's crazy. That's the sweetest trade ever. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep going. Where are we? Call sell on her 360. I'm not gonna advise that. I think gold is gonna push all the way up. I'm gonna advise it to call sell. Even if you wanna sell, I think you're gonna sell probably 362, or just a sniper 362 actually, if I'd want to sell, but I don't do how are they calling it, hedging. You buy here, then you sell down, buy up, sell down. No hedging. As far as I've gotten this as my entry, that's how it will keep going, except it comes back to break even. I'll only keep taking partials till it come back to break even, then I decide what next. Okay, Detroit don't do hedging, although sometimes it's good find the setup, and I prefer hitting my first take profit or coming back to my break even. That's it. So but if I see any rejection here, just same like this, seeing a rejection here, going back from here, I see any rejection on this 1 hour TF, then I'll consider taking a sell. But aside that, just keep looking. So did I answer your question, Hua Chen Ho? That's just it. Story of my life. Well, I've been trading for the past 3 to 4 years. Really, past 3 to 4 years, and inside those 3 to 4 years, I have been on a losing streak. I gamble. I don't wait. I just feel like anytime is the opportunity to enter the market. I usually don't wait. Once I just come, I feel like, okay, yeah, this market is gonna. That fear, that FOMO, fear of losing out, was too much on me because I feel like I don't want to miss the signal. I don't want to miss this entry. Let's enter now, enter now. Instead of waiting for the right moment, you end up making early entry, and then finally your account size is not big enough to accommodate any drawdown. Then once it draws all the way down to the right entry, you won't have the account size to make another entry again on the right entry point. So that's when you now start saying, okay, good, please go back to break even. And possibly from that right entry, you might achieve at least maybe 50 pips. And maybe the 50 pips hasn't even gone back to your early entry. And some people will just take profit of that 50 pips because they waited for the right entry. And you're stuck because you can't close, you can't take profits. So you're just stuck. And that's it. And before you know, normally sometimes good do not respect zones, and it will just give 50 pips and just reverse back, and you now be crying, okay, please go back to break even, go back to break even, at least let me go out from break even. Well, that's too late. It's already too late for you to go back to break even. Okay, so we're running we're running 230 plus pips. Profits. See myself. Are you ready? We're still pushing. Okay. Steve. Let's go and update spread, guys. What? Yeah. That was not the first one I posted though. That was it. Good killed. $200 pips plus achieved. Let's go with the first snapshot. This should be it. Can be. Uh-oh, battery low. Good. $200. 150 plus whoops. Achieved. Come on. Capital letter. I'm not angry. Achieved. For Bison. Achieved from Bison. Tell me the next one. Okay. So don't miss the next one. Boosted. Already good is still pushing. It's not done pushing up. So let's see my profile. Boosted more than enough to do it. Here's my trade. Oh, this is actually on trade. Let's go to TikTok then. We are going. I just need good to reach 63 first. Nothing else. It reached that 363, 400 pips. That's my first target, getting there.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube.
Alright.
And
That's it.
exclusive access to all things VIP, so you can super fan from your sofa. Try 1 month free of charge.
Okay. So well, I have been on this live for more than enough time to even take a rest. You see, is it up to 1 hour? Oh, not yet. 45 minutes. It's crazy. Okay, let's let's go get a light. Power my system. I mean,
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app, all together. One subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free of charge.
Listen, you pay monthly fees for a streaming app, and a music app, and a fitness app, and more money for a bunch of other apps. That really adds up. So, why not get YouTube Premium for just one price? It's like having all those and the entire world of YouTube uninterrupted. Your wallet will thank you. If wallets could talk. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube. And YouTube Music Premium, a whole app just for streaming music, uninterrupted. Try 1 month free of charge.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Uninterrupted videos and an app made just for music. YouTube Premium. 1 subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free of charge.
It's delicious. It's delicious.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and exclusive access to all things VIP, so you can superfan from your sofa. YouTube Premium, it's way more than ad-free. Try 1 month free of charge.
All right, so I've been on this live for already more than my time. Okay, so I haven't seen any questions, I haven't seen any comments. So this is one already, and we've made 250 pips from this live by zone. Okay, so I think I'll be ending this live now. Thanks for joining. I'll drop the recap of today's live later today. See you guys, and thanks for joining.